Hey all, I had some time to work with the code on the plane. Just wanted to make, I made a few changes. I wanted to, excuse me, highlight them for you. One thing that I changed was that a number of these said first play, which is why we were seeing a number of plays being repeated a lot. So I changed those all to next play, and then what I did with some of these was I noticed it was kicking back an error, so I changed it from max, which, or not on that one, changed it from max, which, home final table comprod is greater than or equal to. I changed it to min, where next play is less than or equal to. I did it there. And I did it up here as well for this away. Those, I think, are the main changes, and as you can see now, it's kicking out something that's a little bit off, but something that's slightly more believable. Maybe what we'll do is we'll push this up to 450. Actually, let's run that right now, see what happens. It might be very off, it might not, but that's why we run it a couple times. Yeah, you see there's still that differential, but it's kicking out real numbers that I'm okay with. So a couple things to bring to attention since the last video. So I'm going to finish doing all the videos. Basically, what that is going to be entail is going to write some code that will scrape what today's games are. I'll throw this entire thing into a big, function that'll just loop for every single game of today. We'll actually move this all the way down to the bottom. We'll do the matchup, 500, 1,000 times independently and look at the difference between two of the games. And then what I've actually started doing is I've built a simple site on Flask. Where I'm going to try to do is, when I link this, I'm going to basically say, once we have these outputs, let's edit the HTML file that contains the page of predictions, and it'll just automatically put it in. I'll get a cron tab to run it every single day, every morning, pull the data from the previous games and put them in. And hopefully this will become all automated. What I'm going to do in the background, I'm not going to record a video, is I'm just going to do some sort of error correction. So you see the difference down here. I'm going to investigate, why is there that difference? How can we make it better? I was thinking maybe removing technical fouls, maybe removing substitutions, things like that. But I'm probably just going to go in and just rat around with it, see what I can update in the meantime. So those are my plans until the next video, when we'll go into doing this single matchup a bunch of times and then wrapping it all in a function and adding this code right here.